ZipPay, splitting purchases, or a debt trap? Ever scrolled through your favorite online store, filling your cart with that perfect outfit or that must-have gadget, only to be met with a less-than-ideal final price tag? Ugh, the struggle is real. But fear not, friends. There's a new player in the game promising a smoother checkout experience, ZipPay. But what exactly is ZipPay? Is it a magic money tree or a potential financial pitfall? Buckle up, because in this video, we're dissecting ZipPay to see if it's a friend or foe for your wallet. For those unfamiliar, ZipPay falls under the umbrella of Buy Now, Pay Later, BNPL, services. Essentially, they let you split your purchase into smaller installments, making that dream dress or fancy tech seem a little more attainable. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, hold on a sec. While BNPL services can be handy for managing short-term purchases, there's a lot to unpack before you hit that Pay Later button. So, let's address the burning question, is ZipPay specifically a for-payment system? The answer is both yes and no. Here's the breakdown. ZipPay offers two main options. ZipPay, this is the bread and butter of ZipPay. Here, you can split your purchase into installments, but the number and frequency aren't fixed at 4. You have the flexibility to choose weekly, fortnightly, or even monthly payments depending on what suits your budget. The key thing to remember is there's no interest charged, which is a major plus. Zip Money, this option caters to bigger purchases. Think appliances or furniture. Here, you can borrow a larger sum and repay it over a longer period, with interest rates applying. Now, back to the for-payment question. While ZipPay itself isn't strictly a for-payment system, some stores that partner with Zip might offer a promotional for-payment option at checkout. So, keep an eye out for those deals if that's your preferred payment style. Okay, so ZipPay seems flexible and potentially interest-free. What's the catch? Here's where we need to tread carefully. BNPL services, including ZipPay, come with some potential drawbacks. Temptation to overspend, splitting payments can make things feel cheaper than they actually are. It's easy to get carried away and rack up debt without realizing it. Remember, you're still responsible for paying the total amount, just spread out. Late fees, missing payments can incur hefty late fees, which can quickly snowball and defeat the purpose of using ZipPay for budgeting. Potential credit score impact. ZipPay might conduct a credit check when you sign up, and missed payments could negatively affect your credit score. This can make it harder to secure loans or other credit products in the future. Not universally accepted, while ZipPay is becoming more popular, it's not accepted by all retailers. So, you might not be able to use it everywhere you shop. So, is ZipPay right for you? Ultimately, it depends on your spending habits and financial discipline. If you're a responsible spender who can stick to a budget and make payments on time, ZipPay can be a helpful tool for managing short-term purchases. However, if you struggle with impulse buying or managing debt, ZipPay might not be the best choice. Here are some tips for using ZipPay responsibly. Set a budget. Before using ZipPay, figure out how much you can realistically afford to spend and stick to that limit. Plan your repayments. Factor in your ZipPay payments into your overall budget to ensure you can handle them alongside your other expenses. Pay on time. Avoid late fees and potential credit score damage by making your payments on schedule. Use it strategically. Think of ZipPay as a tool for managing unexpected expenses or spreading out the cost of a larger purchase, not a free pass to overspend. Remember, BNPL services are not a magic solution to financial woes. Used wisely, they can be a convenient tool. But used irresponsibly, they can lead to debt and financial stress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.